I want to start off with you, Millicent. Could you share with me, in terms of your journey of living with HIV, how being born with HIV, when did you get to know that I'm living with HIV, and how has it been?
Okay, my name is Millicent Chiminya, and I was born HIV positive. And I found out about my status when I was just finished my O-level exams. It was not easy to find out your status, wakura. So I then take it after 3 years. That's when I
find out, say, Millicent.
Okay, I was commercial, like with my grandmother, and we were in the field, Mumunda. So I had a problem of legs. So angato zimba, then gokongo watungondi wanza chitama kumbakwa nungo zimba nikatia yes ano zimba but those akaura I did because they don't go ngo kafa. So wakafa imi. So wakavanditi who told you kuti wakafa ni makumbo. Then I said, Mama told me that. She can do, that's a lie. Your father died because he was HIV positive. And vakaramba kumwamshonga. Nika that's a lie. Vatatungo piki sana. Of which nansanda boss who's gonna mamongo. So wavanditi kanozogera kumbono bunza mamoko kuti tidoko kafani. Then I said, okay. I was 16 years.
Okay.
So when I get back home, I asked my mom, kuti did wakafani as usual. Why are you asking me that? Dikati permission not gonna go. Kuti I'm finish makumbo funny HIV. Is it true? She can see go quick about tongue water. Then I said my she can see okay over to pay up was to know the chocolate chato good. So on the power of watching on Tanangura, and I was very mad at her, to be honest. Like I did 3 years not on my mango because of this. So and then cheese and Venenda South Africa. Then I began to stay with my nini there. So they also realized that this is not good. Of which I think God nanga. So I then come back to Zimbabwe in 2019. Then Papa and actor now my chatapita closed. Yes. So that's when I met some people and they taught me knowledge about this HIV. Then that's when I stand up for myself. And I begin to love myself as who I am. Because that's who I am. And that's when I was doing interviews with SlyMedia, because that's who I am, and this is my vision. I want to break every stigmatization, discrimination, and every boundary of negative people and positive people. So that's who I am.